This was Mish and Dish. And moment, I think this was कहाँ गया? नहीं, ये तो हो गया था इस चैप्टर में. आइन मोमेंट कहाँ गया? वो डॉग वाला सीन वहां पे था. मिश डिश. आइन मोमेंट आई ओपन द. अदरवाइज याद नहीं रहेगा तो फिर डजंट मेक सेंस. यू वुड मेक मिस्टेक्स. Accusative and dative तो आपके बुक में it's there. No, it was not in chapter 2. Nine, that was very quick. Ein Moment, bitte. Where is das? Wo ist das? I think here. Nein, das ist für Martinsen. Ein Moment, das ist Einkaufen im Supermarkt. Das ist Grillenparty. I never find the thing which I look for in the book. Okay, wait, I'll do it from here. Page number यहाँ तो ढूंढना मुश्किल है. अरे यार, मैंने ड्राइव की. Okay, let's in chapter 6. Yeah. Yeah, here. Yeah, you can see here. Now, who can tell me for the pronoun of her? Sana, that's the question was for you, right? See, what's the accusative pronoun for her?
In.
In is for him.
And that will be Z.
Anybody? Z, right. So it would be Z, right? The shaba then rocks your Z. And then अगर ये dative होता, जैसे ऊपर आपने लिखा, their rock, अगर आपको लिखना होता, the skirt passes or suits her niche. तो her के लिए आप यहाँ पे क्या यूज करते हैं? Me के लिए तो आपने mere किया. What is the dative pronoun? Dative pronoun for her. Dative pronoun for her. Anybody? Dative pronoun for her is given right in this page. Remember, it's ear. So first things first. Abhi to aapko I can't just tell you that you learn first of okay, you can see here. Dative pronoun for her is ear. So the answer would go here as their rock past ear nished. Yeah. If it is dative, so this sentence will take dative because of the verb stehen, which is called to be a dative verb in German. So now the question is that how do we clarify that why do we need dative or why do we need accusative? So as of now, there is only one reason. If you are using it with for, use accusative. If you are using it with dative verbs, for example, helfen, stehen, then you have this gefallen, passen, and there are some other verbs which you will be learning from the Arbeits book now. Use them. When you see these verbs, please use the pronoun in dative. Am I clear? With why dative, why accusative? With accusative pronoun, with accusative preposition, it is accusative. With dative verbs, it is dative pronomen. Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Now comes the question of this, You need to open your page number 144, one of the most important and trickiest exercises of your A1. I am so glad that they make it, clumsy. Clumsy means easy nahi hai, it's difficult. Difficult means a bit, I would say, confusing. So let's see how good you can do it. 9a machen wir. 9a. as it's your last day, so you need to trigger or you need to make your mind a little, you need to put your mind on work a bit more. So we are doing 9R here. You have got 8 sentences and you need to pick up the correct pronoun. For example, kann ich sie or ihnen helfen? So the verb is helfen. So what is the word for you? Which pronoun we should use here for you? Sie or ihnen?
Ihnen.
Ihnen.
Ihnen helfen. Right. Next one. Next one. Schau mal, die Hose, wie findest du sie or ihr? So we are using the pronoun for Hose. So what should be the pronoun for Hose? Sie or ihr?
Sie.
Why sie, Sana? Okay,
Ear.
why sie? Anybody? Why ear?
Hosa is a dative verb.
No, hosa is noun. Sana, hosa is not verb. Hosa is pant. The word जो यहाँ पे है वो है finden. Do you think finden is a dative verb?
I think you said that pendant is a dative verb.
No, finden is accusative.
Yeah,
So when finden is accusative or hosa is the hosa, मतलब it's a feminine. The feminine, अच्छा एक और चीज, which is very important. जैसे English में we do it like this, right? कि do you like this pant? So you say no, I don't like it. So pant को we denote with which pronoun? It से denote करते हैं. German में we cannot do it with it. The hosa का article, अगर hosa का article if is the hosa, so we need to make the use the pronoun of the. What's the pronoun of the in accusative? Feminine pronoun in accusative for she. What is it? How do we denote a feminine pronoun? Accusative में er, z, s को किससे denote करते हैं? Like what is the pronoun for z?
Sie.
Yeah, z. So z का pronoun z होता है, तो यहाँ पे it will be z, not ear. अगर ये dative verb होता तो it could have been ear, because you can see on the list here कि she को ear कहते हैं pronoun में. But just because it's an accusative sentence, we need to put on the accusative pronoun, and that's z. Do it, try to understand the meaning of the sentences, and please look at the verb. Gefallen is dative, and you can see others as well. Do not use any other thing apart from gefallen, passen, stehen, and helfen. These 4 are the dative verbs that you have learned so far. Others are all in accusative. Now do it. I think I helped you somehow. Do it. It's tricky, but then with time you'll make a habit of using this dear and dish. Ish hell for dear. After a point of time, you would never be able to say ish hell for dish. Aapko lagega that you are saying something wrong. So that would be on your mouth. Ish hell for dear. Always dear, because helfen is dative. Kyonen sie mir helfen. It will be never kyonen sie mich helfen. कभी आप mish नहीं बोलोगे, because आपका वो it will be a habit. You would always say mir helfen. Helfen is mir. That means helfen is dative. So can you help me? So me will become mir. Kyonen sie mir helfen. So after a point of time, with the practice and exercises, you can just master this. But right now it will be clumsy. Let's see. We'll discuss it. I'll be back in 2 minutes to
Yeah, ma'am.
yeah, gemacht.
Gemacht.
Revati,
okay.
Samriddhi and Ashwin. Okay, let's see. Okay. Even if you have got wrong answers, just try to explain, just try to understand the reason. Yeah. Okay, and number 3, Ashwin.
Number 9.
Ashwin,
No?
number 3. Number 3.
Lesen Sie, die Statue aus Art A. Okay. Actually, I'm not sure how to do this.
Ashwin, did you find the right question? Because it's always, you end up, I don't know why it happens with you that you always end up doing the wrong question. Everybody else understands, but when it comes to you, every time I have like noted down, every time when I give an exercise from the exercise book and when I ask you, you always end up making the wrong question. What is that? Am I so bad at explaining things to you all that you always end up doing wrong exercise? Or Ashwin, what you don't listen properly, you are like you busy or you're busy somewhere else. What is it every time? Because everybody gets the correct exercise and you end up doing the wrong one. What is those? Which one did you do this time, Ashwin?
I did number 9A.
Yeah, but you did it right. Number 9A. That is what we're doing. So which one are you doing? This is right. Okay, you're not wrong this time. So what is wrong? I'm asking you question number 3.
Dieses
So-
slide state, I'm not sure what to answer. Sorry.
You read question number 3 first of all. What is question number 3? In 9A, what is question number 3?
Dieses slide state dash richtig gut. I think it's
Ashwin,
near.
what are you doing? Oh, hold on. Have you opened page number 144? Exercise book.
144. Lemon. No, I'm not. That's not.
What are you on course book? Ashwin, are you on course book? What is?
Yeah.
I don't know why does it happen to you every time. When I've explained so many times ki when I'll give exercises, I give it from the exercise book, right? And it's always that I explain the first question every time. So जब आपको दिखता है कि that whatever ma'am is saying, I'm not getting the question. You tell me right at the moment that ma'am, whatever you discussed, I can't see that question. Then I would know that, okay, you have not got the right page. But then after ending up with the exercise, you tell me that you are on the wrong page. Ashwin, that's page number 144. Arbeitsbuch, bitte, 9a.
Wie gefällt.
Yeah, wie gefällt. Finally, yeah, wie gefällt.
Dir das T-shirt.
Ja, now ist das richtig. Wie gefällt dir das T-Shirt? Warum dir? If I ask you warum dir, so
Because
what is the Antwort?
It's dative gefällt.
Gefallen, right? Okay. Samriddhi, richtig, Ashwin. Nummer 4, Samriddhi.
Das Hemd da magst du es?
Marks to S, yeah. Mark, Myogen. Myogen is, abhi tak we haven't like studied anywhere ki Myogen is a dative verb, so we'll keep it with S. Yeah, not E.